Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to name and rename files in Google Docs. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do if you have a document already open, it works the same way as if you already created an existing document. You just would go up to the top left corner where the name of the document currently is, and just would click inside this field. When you hover over the name, it actually does prompt you if you want to rename it. Just click inside of this name up here, and you can delete whatever's in there and type in a new name if you choose to apply a new name, and then hit enter. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So, pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.